Learners from ECDs to institutions of higher learning who emerged top in the 95th edition of Kenya Music Festivals performed at a gala festival held in Nakuru today. Here the participants showcased their talents in music and dance, their performances aligned to traditions, health, fight against violent extremism, and ability to play different musical instruments. Education Principal Secretary Belio Kipsang, who was accompanied by other senior officials from the ministry, described the festivals as a key platform in nurturing talents and abilities for the benefit of their holders.
The essence is really to identify, grow, nurture and develop the talent of our young children, our young ones. And as I've already said, it is cutting across the entire spectrum of our education sector.
Tuko na wale wanamuziki wetu kama Music Festival, ndipo tukaanzisha hiyo daraja, na baada ya hapa huyo mwanafunzi ataweza uza nyimbo zake katika YouTube, katika Instagram.
The PS said that going forward, the festivals will be a key indicator on the success of the competence-based curriculum, which the government will continue to heavily invest in.
There will be 3 pathways: STEM, social sciences, and then performing arts, sports, and nurturing talent, which we are doing today.
Isije tu mtoto anangoja akuja aajiriwe pahali, mtoto atoke akiwa na kitu ambacho anaweza fanya, kama ni kupika, kama ni kufanya farming.
Through the Sports, Arts and Social Development Fund, they've been able to put in 143 million shillings. And we can see the type of investment that this government is putting into this sector.
The festivals have also been described as one way of uniting Kenyans from their diverse backgrounds and building tolerance from a young age.
We are preserving the culture. Vitu ambavyo watu wetu wa zamani walikuwa wanafanya, watoto wetu wanaweza kujua pahali tumetoka, tuweze kujua pahali tunaenda na kuijenga zaidi. Katika tamasha hizi utaweza ona kwamba kitu yenye tunaangalia sana ni building the morals of our children.
In Rwanda, we are having East African sports, which is part of this development. Next week, we shall be having East African drama, dance, and music, so that we can prepare our children into the future.
The climax of the festivals will be a state concert which will be hosted at State House in Nakuru on Wednesday. Those selected expected to perform before the president and other senior state officers. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.